In this video, we are going to learn how to create packages in our system for the various logs. So let's go ahead and get started by adding a package. You'll have an option to either add a single package or do a multiple package delivery. Let's start with single. So first, we're going to go ahead and type our addressee. You'll see that the entries from the address book can now appear here, and you'll be given an option to notify the addressee. Current location defaults to your default location from the app settings. You can also select an event name if it's clear what event they are attending. And then we get into the scan tracking number. If you have a scanner, configure it to do a basic keyboard with one enter press, and that'll make things super, super fast as you're using our program. I'm just going to type the numbers for now. Enter a weight if you'd like. If you're charging fees, that's necessary. You can also choose a courier. You can give them a vendor or a booth. And keep in mind, the only required fields in this form are the arrival date, the addressee, and the scan tracking number. You can also give a P number. That's great for internal packages, notes, and you can also apply crate or pallet pricing. You can also upload an image. And if you're using a mobile device, that image would be generated either from your camera or your photo reel. Alrighty, so we're done there. Let's go ahead and create the package. And that'll jump right into our log. You can see a notification was sent. Now we're going to create multiple packages. So same deal. You're going to enter your basic information. Let's click multiple packages. So this is the common information that every single package is going to share. We're going to notify Jane. We're going to let her go to the AAA. Alrighty. And this is where you'll start adding the packages. So you want to come in with your weight, select a courier if you would like, and then you just hit enter and it'll automatically generate another line. So let's go down the line here, add a few for testing purposes. Okay. And if you've hit enter or scanned, you can remove that last line. And let's go ahead and create those packages. These are going to add in all three of the packages at the same time, and you'll see a consolidated notification was sent to Jane Smith. Alrighty, so we've got our packages entered into the incoming log. The outgoing log is very, very similar. I don't think we have to walk through the whole thing. It has similar interfaces. You can select single or multiple. The global packages log is where every single package in the system lands. So the reason we have this is number one, it makes finding a package a lot easier to locate if it's been misdelivered or it's been marked completed and it's not completed. We also have a completed log to show you everything that's actually completed. When you're viewing and sorting packages in the grid, you can, of course, sort by any single column. You can search, for instance, let's pop over to our view settings real quick. Let's get our events up at the top. All right, so now I can see the events. We can actually sort by that. Or if I just want to see packages from one event, we can search. Now I've got everything for the AAA conference. And that's how you can sort and filter your packages to make it work easier when you're doing bulk actions. For right now, I want to look at the event manifest and how to generate it. So if you want a manifest for any conference or any event, you can pick any event that you've set up. You can set up multiple conferences in one manifest. For instance, these two are right next to each other and they're getting delivered at the same time. So we want all of that on one piece of paper so we can deliver it. So let's go ahead and create our manifest. So what you're going to see here is all the packages are sorted by conference. We've got AAA and then BBB. It's going to tell you the date, time, and location that all the packages are going to be delivered to. It's going to give you a total number of packages. Then it's going to give you the addressee, the tracking number, the location, and it's going to sort all of this information by vendor and booth, making it super easy for you to find people and deliver their packages all at once. So when you have your grid set up, next thing we're going to talk about is bulk actions, and you trigger these by actually selecting packages. And we're going to handle that in our next video, and we'll talk about bulk actions and everything that you can do with PackageHawk.